Welcome, friend. Welcome, Medico-Legal Talk. Let's have a discussion about latest case happened in Mumbai with a corporate hospital, where this bachu got admitted to this corporate hospital for surgery. It was undescended testis surgery. It is alleged that during the surgery, medical mishap has happened and patient got cardiac arrest with hypoxia and patient become vegetative. Hospital has taken all possible care to revive the patient and remained for many months and tried their level best, but they could not able to. Finally, when the hospital found that nothing can be more done in this particular patient, now only nursing care is going to be required. They have discharged the patient after discussing with the families, called an ambulance, and decided to send the patient to their house so that remaining care can be taken at their place, which was strongly objected by the relative on ground that they cannot do a treatment at home, they cannot do a nursing of the child at home. They still have a hope of rehabilitation of this child, and they wanted that this child should be treated by the hospital because negligence happened in a hospital. The Bachu came walking to the hospital. His condition is because of the wrong treatment done by the hospital, and Bachu become vegetative because of the act done in hospital. So hospital responsible for all this, and hospital should continue the treatment. And naturally, lots of conflict happened. Patient got readmitted to the hospital, further treatment, and still hospital is trying to counsel a patient relative because nothing much can be done for further treatment at home. Such scenario can happen anywhere. As per the law, naturally they need to. Even the law says that if at all patient relative feel that there is a medical negligence, they can opt for the remedies in various court of our country. They can go to criminal court, medical councils, or to consumer fora. Hospital also had got all the liberty to defend themselves for all possible care which needed to be given. Medical science, even Honorable Supreme Court has said, is a complex science, and human body is a complex machine. What and how body is going to react for something is not in a hand of a doctor. So medical mishap, even in the form of vegetative state which Bachu has got, is possible. But if all the care has been given, negligence cannot be proven. But all is all the part and parcel of a discussion in various domain. But yes, it is for our understanding. We need to be very clear to defend ourselves being a doctor. I, being a doctor, now a lawyer, have discussed these things with the various authorities to come out with a good defense for the doctor. With the Doctors Risk Medico-Legal Services founded in 2005, we have handled such issues in the past and continuously handling. All auditing of medical records, timely support to people who are in need is always a part and parcel of this organization. I will recommend to the hospital and the doctor in such a scenario to have a medico-legal expert on a fingertip so that medico-legal support system, if required, is always available. Have a good professional indemnity policy and error omission policy, which need to be definitely customized. I recommend Dr. Risk Medico-Legal Services has tied up with New India to provide such a beautiful customized policy which covers every aspect, including latest technologies, legal fees, 1:1, out of court settlement, cashless domain, all cosmetic covered, naturally latest technology covered. Have such a error omission policy which covers paramedical staff, visiting consultant, everyone is going to be need of the hour so that they can defend whenever, wherever required. And of course, patient also has got all the liberty to go various fora for their remedies whenever required. So always be safe and be secured with all protection support system in need. from Doctor's Risk, one organization who is always there to help the people, can be a best person to support you. Thank you.